Don't overspend at the store. Make your own gremolata, just like the Italians do. This wonderfully aromatic seasoning plays a big role in their cuisine. Start with lime peel on a baking tray, then add orange, lemon, and garlic skins, finishing with fresh mint. Bake for 45 minutes at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. The ingredients will turn crisp, light, and full of fragrance. Once ready, toss some stale bread into a blender, a perfect way to avoid food waste, along with the dried citrus peels. Add a pinch of salt, a little pepper, and blend into a smooth mix. That's your homemade gremolata, all natural, aromatic, and perfect, not only as a seasoning, but also as a coating for meat. Now for the chicken. Gently pound the meat, dip it in milk, then coat it with the fragrant mixture. No extra spices, no artificial additives. Fry on medium heat on both sides until golden brown on the outside and juicy inside. The result? Crispy chicken infused with citrus and fresh herbs. A simple way to enjoy the taste of an Italian restaurant without leaving your home. Cover the chicken with a lid, and the result will surprise you more than many kitchen tricks. This chicken tastes like it came straight from a restaurant. Start by slicing the chicken breast lengthwise into 2 even fillets. Place the meat on a cutting board, cover it with plastic wrap, and gently pound it on both sides with a meat mallet. Season with salt and pepper. Cover with a lid and set aside for a moment. Now prepare the filling. Chop fresh young spinach, which gives the dish a slightly nutty flavor. Transfer it to a bowl. Add about 2½ ounces of shredded cheese and 5 ounces of cream cheese. Add a few cloves of garlic pressed through a garlic crusher. This will bring aroma and a gentle kick. Mix everything well until smooth. Place a portion of the filling on each chicken fillet. Carefully roll them up into roulades and secure with a toothpick so they hold their shape while baking. Transfer the rolls to a baking sheet and bake for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This dish needs only 5 ingredients, yet the taste and result are outstanding. A perfectly creamy, tender inside with a lightly crisped outside. Serve the chicken rolls with your favorite sauce. I'm sure this is the best chicken and rice recipe you've ever tried. Start with 200 grams of rice. Cook it until tender in salted water according to the package instructions, then set it aside to cool. Next, prepare the chicken, which is the main ingredient. Clean and dice 2 chicken fillets. Then make the egg mixture. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl, add sour cream, and mix in your favorite spices until smooth. Stir in about 100 grams of grated cheese and add the prepared chicken. Take a baking dish, preferably a rectangular one, and grease it with oil. This is important for baking. Pour the cooked rice into the dish, then pour the chicken mixture over it and mix well. Slice an onion and spread it over the mixture. Then slice a tomato and arrange the slices on top of the onion. Sprinkle everything with Parmesan cheese. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes. This fantastic chicken and rice casserole is perfect for lunch or dinner for guests. It looks and tastes exceptional. Here's a new, creative way to prepare chicken. Chicken cooked in cabbage is a real treat. Start by marinating the drumsticks with your favorite spices. Then drizzle a little oil over the meat and rub the marinade evenly on each drumstick. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the chicken sit for 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the next part of the dish. Take a fairly large cabbage and remove the core, making a sizable opening. Inside the cabbage, add rice. Then slice some mushrooms and throw them in as well. Sprinkle some bacon over the mushrooms for a perfect flavor boost. Now take the marinated drumsticks and place them, bone side up, inside the cabbage. In a pitcher, dissolve 1 bouillon cube with some heavy cream and pour this mixture over the chicken and inside the cabbage. Transfer the cabbage to a glass baking dish and bake for an hour at 180 degrees. After this time, the dish is ready. The chicken is perfectly juicy and the sides complement the meal. Be sure to try this recipe. Here's a new, creative way to prepare chicken. Chicken cooked in cabbage is a real treat. Start by marinating the drumsticks with your favorite spices. Then drizzle a little oil over the meat and rub the marinade evenly on each drumstick. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the chicken sit for 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the next part of the dish. Take a fairly large cabbage and remove the core, making a sizable opening. Inside the cabbage, add rice. Then slice some mushrooms and throw them in as well. Sprinkle some bacon over the mushrooms for a perfect flavor boost. Now take the marinated drumsticks and place them, bone side up, inside the cabbage. In a pitcher, dissolve 1 bouillon cube with some heavy cream and pour this mixture over the chicken and inside the cabbage. Transfer the cabbage to a glass baking dish and bake for an hour at 180 degrees. After this time, the dish is ready. The chicken is perfectly juicy and the sides complement the meal. Be sure to try this recipe. Take 5 chicken drumsticks. Remove the skin. Place the prepared drumsticks in a bowl. Pour oil over them, then add the spices. 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning and 1 tablespoon of mixed spices. Mix the meat thoroughly. Set it aside for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the second part of the dish. Cut the peppers into pieces, preferably in different colors. Also, slice the mushrooms. Next, pour about 200 grams of rice onto a baking sheet, and then add the previously chopped vegetables. Now, prepare the marinade for the rice and vegetables. Take a jug, add the spice mix, pour in water and stir. Then pour 150 milliliters of heavy cream over the rice and vegetables, followed by the spice mixture. Place the prepared rice in the oven. Now, take the oven rack and place the chicken drumsticks on it, securing them by inserting the bone into the rack. Slowly insert the rack with the drumsticks into the oven. This is a crucial step, as the chicken will be perfectly juicy thanks to this roasting method. Bake the rice with vegetables and chicken for 40 minutes. After that time, the whole dish is ready. Serve it with your favorite salad. The whole family will be asking for seconds. Here's a trick from a famous restaurant. This chicken breast will melt in your mouth. Start by taking 3 large chicken breasts. Then make slits along them to create an opening. Gently pull the opening apart. Next, take a pan and fill it with water. Once the water starts boiling, add some baking soda. Place the prepared chicken breasts into the water. Cook them for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the remaining ingredients. Cut 4 medium potatoes into smaller pieces. Then slice 1 medium onion. Grate the carrots on a large mesh grater. Slice a few parsley leaves as well. Now remove the chicken breasts from the pan and transfer them to another dish. Then fry the previously prepared vegetables in the same pan. Start by adding the potatoes. Fry them for a few minutes on low heat. The next step is to add the chopped onions. After a while, add the previously grated carrots. Fry the vegetables on low heat. Meanwhile, prepare the marinade for the meat. Pour 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and a tablespoon of honey. Carefully mix together. Now put the previously fried chicken meat on the pan with the vegetables. Brush them with the prepared marinade. Fry them for a few minutes on low heat, and then put them in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. After this time, the vegetables and chicken are ready. Juicy chicken breasts with vegetables is a perfect dish that melts in the mouth.